He missed the jamun. I enjoyed it. He is wearing so many layers, his elbow isn't bending. Hello people, good morning, welcome back to the channel. This is day 4. What? Yeah, see I forget. After 3 days I forget the count of days also. I am the last one to get ready today. One is already gone to saddle up the bike. The other guy is ready here. Illa, Tishnavada. 2 days of footage is missing since the hard disk crashed yesterday while transferring data. Now I'm trying to recover it. It didn't happen. That's the update as of today. We are leaving from Bhubaneswar to Kolkata and try to reach further ahead. We are here with the parking lot at Hotel in Bhubaneswar. It's called Hotel Sunrise. Here are the bikes, here are the riders coming. How come they're walking today? I don't know. Why not the lift? We will visit Royal Enfield store in Cuttack and then have breakfast. Let's move. The next stop is Cuttack and I'm already hungry. And yeah, there is no checking of any sort, checking in the sense requirement for COVID certificate, negative test certificate until now. According to plan, we are lagging by 1 day. We are supposed to be in Kolkata today, but we are heading towards Kolkata now. And it is going to be a late night ride, so we will try avoiding stay at Kolkata and ride further tonight. These are the Rasgulla sweet shops. They are open early in the morning as well. If you have a sweet tooth, come treat yourself at one of these sweet shops. Look at that. All the sweet shops. We're using Google Maps to locate our Royal Enfield service center here. It's about 3.4 kilometers. The road from Bhubaneswar to Cuttack is nice. We're here at Anmol Royal Enfield. We're not sure if there is a service center here. Let's see. Service center, yes. No job card needed. Minor repairs done immediately. Ide. 8:30. We found idli here as well. Bakery cum tiffin shop. Try manante. Samosa ready agtade. Yeah? Huh? The famous sweet is on our table. Rasgulla is here. Rahul is trying it first. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay na? Very dissatisfactory giving.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10 ना? इसका नाम क्या है?
खिरकादम बोलते हैं इसको.
हाँ?
खिरकादम.
त्रिकदम. और वो जामुन ही है ना दूसरा वाला. Okay. This is something called त्रिकदम and this is our regular jamun. Let's try. Half mom. Oh, this is a coating on top. Mix it ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲು ಹೋಗೋ ಜೊತೆ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಆ ರಸಗುಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. What do you say? Nice option. This right. This is not the normal jamun that you regularly have. It is the traditional jamun, you can say.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಪಿ ಇದೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್.
Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. I would say a pretty decent place for breakfast. We had idli, we had sweet. Hey, Dina. I'm having the last piece. She missed the jamun. I enjoyed it. This is one thing that every biker has to learn. Remove the key and then wear the gloves. We just put an entire circle around this stretch. We went to the dead end, took a left, dead end left. We rode by the river bank and reached that bakery cum hotel. And now we are back where we want to be.
ಮಗ ಯಾವ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನೋ ದಿನಾಗ್ಲೂ ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ.
Yatish has something to say.
I was just saying that today will be the last time my bike will come for any kind of repairs or breakdowns to Royal Enfield service center.
Let's see. He's made it 3 days in a row, but we skipped yesterday and we'll come on the 4th day. Let's see. Fingers crossed. My motorcycle being inspected after 2000 kilometers. Oil level being topped up in my motorcycle. Rahul's bike is still on the ramp. I got this wastewater pipe replaced. That's it. Rest all the nuts and bolts are tightened. Last bike in and the first bike out. The final setup. This one is almost ready. We just removing the front brake fluid as well. Yatish's bike is still under operation. His brake shoe also has been replaced. So now we are going to test ride the Meteor. That's a quick start, less vibrations. A nice high windscreen here. The engine is smooth compared to what I ride, The new technology has improved a lot. The riding posture is also nice. It's not like what I thought. A very comfortable seating posture. There's good amount of turning radius as well. See? And the kill switch. The kill switch and the self start switch are one and the same. And you have, this is the hazard. That's also nice. And your pass and low beam, high beam indicators. It's very simple. ये किसके लिए है? हाँ, trip set. Navigation also. Nice. आपका नाम? Sandeep. Thank you. Yatish, your bike is ready? Finally. No more visits until we come back to Cuttack. Hoping so, right? Hope we don't visit any other Royal Enfield showroom. We finish our ride, come back here. Sir will help us out and then we'll go. I just thought the camera was on and I was blabbering so long. We entered Mahanadi Bridge in Cuttack. Look at the length of this. It's long, really, really long. But there's hardly any water. We just stopped for lunch, but I didn't turn the camera on. It was an okay place. In the middle of nowhere, we found quite some decent lunch. So we entered West Bengal and stopped for tea. Another day, another state, another tea time. Another day, another state, another tea time. Rhyming. The boys are preparing themselves for the cold. How many layers are you wearing?
3.
3 layers in West Bengal before reaching Kolkata.
Yeah.
Huh? And you?
2 only, 2.
2.
Rain liner, thermal liner.
Rain liner, thermal liner, 1 t-shirt. You, rain liner, thermal liner, 1 coat, 1 t-shirt.
Hey, this is.
Hey, you are lying, it is 3.
That's okay. But this is comfortable for me, so it's fine.
He is wearing so many layers, his elbow isn't bending. Time to pack up ourselves completely. The weather gets quite chill here in the night, while riding. Kolkata is 191 kilometers. We are on National Highway 60. Asian Highway 45. Yeah, once the visor is clear, no, the visibility is top notch. I like that product from Liquimoly, the visor cleaner. Been using it for quite some time now. It's been a while now. We've been riding from Kolaghat towards Kolkata. Kolkata isn't coming. Why? Because the roads are bad again. But all this while, the road was awesome. Freshly laid tarmac. The last 2 hours we've been riding and it was excellent. Thoroughly enjoyed. Just stopped here to take a call on where do we stop for tonight. So now the plan is to go a little further, cross this city traffic and find a place to stay. Just look at the length of this traffic jam. It's still there. I started recording only after I saw the stretch. So we've crossed Kolkata now, heading towards Siliguri. This will be our last fuel stop for today. I think we had a longer run than the usual. Normally it is 2 full tanks a day. Today we stopped for the 3rd time. The next major town is Bardhaman, where we didn't want to go so far, but I think we will be going there. It's about 65 kilometers, I think. Another hour's ride, hour and a half, I guess.